What's up, YouTube and all my babies? It's your girl, Rich Secrets, coming at you with another video. Before we get started, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend, and tell another friend, and tell your mom and them, because we're litty over here. And y'all, without further ado, got some small packages. I got some small packages in today. So let's see. Make sure I got everything out of here. So let's see. In this one, I got me and my mom the same necklace. I'm just getting her a few things for Mother's Day. This is kind of like on the choker side. It's not too long, but you can always add an extender to this to make it longer. And this just says, "Love you more." And it's in a heart. And that one's mine. And then my mom, like all her stuff that's coming in for Mother's Day, I'm just putting them in this little Ziploc bag. Then we got this one. So I purchased some more charms, nail charms, some SpongeBob, and also pineapple charms. So when I do my SpongeBob set, I'm so excited. So that's that. Then this one. Alright, so I had got these in silver by accident, so I wanted to reorder these in gold. They just have my nickname Tootie on there. These are like small hoops, stainless steel, in gold. So I thought these were so cute. Not too small, not too big, just right. And yeah, so when I want to wear these, I just put these on. Because I need to start wearing my earrings, y'all, because I work from home, so like my headset, I always keep the earrings out of that ear, but then I'll leave them in the other ear. Then I just be like, you know what, just take them all out. So yeah, I gotta start wearing my earrings because I do not want my holes to close. Okay, hold on. Let's see, we got this one. So I got this. It's in a 21 centimeters. I thought this was cute. It's supposed to be a Pandora bracelet. Say Pandora right there. And it has the Pandora sign right there. And then I got my mom this one. And this also says Pandora since 1982, founded in Denmark. So this is her Pandora bracelet. Unforgettable Moments, Pandora. So this is my mom. I got her this one, just the regular ball one. And then I also got me a charm, because y'all know I'm in my 30s. I'm forever be in my 30s. So I got this little birthday cake that says 30. Not sure if y'all can see it. And I got my mom this one. It has like a wine bottle and a wine glass. With a heart. all in here. Let me throw this away. Alright, let me see how you open this. Got some tweezers. So let me see. I think my mom got some more charms coming in. So that one says mom. Y'all might not know, but my mom is 54, so I got her this 50 little charm. Got this other one that says I love perfume. Her little wine charm. This little watch basically says mom's calling. And then this little travel one that has like the travel plane passport and also the luggage. And then got mines. And I'm probably like, where are you gonna put this at? You already have more than enough. More than enough bracelets. I don't know where I'm gonna put this at. So I got this one that says 30. I got this skull one. I got this Kuromi. I got this little poodle one. I love perfume. I got me and my mom the same poodle one and perfume one. Her perfume one just didn't come in yet. I got a Chucky one. Minnie Mouse. A Disney one. A scorpion. Let me see. Oh, okay, so it's gonna fit. I just had to make sure because my wrists are chunky. Trying to show them all. There we go. Well, yeah, y'all, this was a very, very miniature vlog. Hope you guys enjoy this. I'll definitely come back when I do the Mother's Day gift bag. When I show y'all how I make my mom's Mother's Day gift bag. I think, who am I making a Mother's Day gift bag for? My auntie, my mom, and my nana. Shout out to all the mothers out there. And, yeah. So, yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.